Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the support of the thumbs up. Okay guys, this is really exciting. As I share with you, as my channel is growing, and I got very lucky because early on, even way before I had 1,000 subscribers, certain companies were reaching out to me. And certain companies, it was stuff that I was interested in, and certain companies, not so much. But one of the first packages that I got was from a brand that was sunglasses. And what was ironic was it was this brand that I was already purchasing their sunglasses. So it was a no-brainer for me to sit down and share about that brand, because I would have done that anyways. And then with them, I was able to show you different styles and everything like that. And that was all before the 1,000. What I decided to do this channel, it really was to share information. I'm a girl that loves products. I love fashion, I love jewelry, I love skincare, I love cosmetics. But to have access to it and the prices that I used to pay, because I was a retail shopper in the retail world and I traveled around the world. So for me, it was always interesting for me to try new things and ingredients and things like that. And I love reading the magazines in reference to all of that. But this brand in particular, when they reached out, I couldn't say yes fast enough. I was so excited that they even knew about our channel here, but more they knew about me through Instagram. And this is not something that they asked me to do here on YouTube, but what I choose to do on YouTube is share with you products that I really truly fall in love with. And this brand, I never had the opportunity to try their body care. So when they said they wanted to send me a package, I said absolutely. And I want to reach you a little bit about this brand. Like I said, they're not asking me to make this. This is not sponsored or anything like that. And even if I choose at one point to do sponsorships or any of that, I'm choosing to do things because it's the information and it's brands that I really enjoy, and I want you guys to know about it too. That's what this channel has always been about, and it's always what it's going to be about. So this is this brand called REN Skincare, and I did not know this brand until I tried a Trend Mood box. And then one of the first products I tried in there, I could not believe the results that I got from their product. Then when it started to show up in Ipsies and BoxyCharms and they were choice items, they were always my choice. You've seen me share with you about this brand on my channel because it's a really nice brand. It has a price point that some things are very expensive, but that has a lot that fit into that area where I'm comfortable and comfortable sharing it with you guys. So it came in this fantastic packaging that really is unique on its own as well. When I opened it up, I did not know about any of this. It has a Velcro, and it had these little, I guess you call these peanuts, but if you put these underwater, they are biodegradable. They immediately melt to nothing. And then on the inside of the box here, they have this thing that's called Hi, I'm a Box, and it's spelled B-O-O-X. And I knew nothing about this, so I just wanted to share this quickly with you. It's a reusable box that's good for the earth. You can scan this QR code that's inside here with your camera app to return it, so that they can keep delivering stuff for people and reducing waste. Is that absolutely fantastic? I've never heard about that, and I think it is a really fantastic thing that this company is choosing that brand to share and tell others about it. So this has a card inside, but I'm gonna go through some of the information here. There's 2 products in here. I've had the opportunity to use this now for a couple of weeks. I've been sitting on it if I should sit and do a video on this, because when I sit down to do a video, it's really, like I said, to share the information and make sure that you guys know about it, because this takes a lot of time to sit down and do videos. So I have the information here that I just want to read real quickly about the brand REN, because if you're not familiar with it, I really want you to know about this brand so that if you see it in the retail world, or if you are part of BoxyCharm and Ipsy like I am, or some other boxes, like I think FabFitFun also gets this brand, then you'll know to be able to keep your eyes open for it, because it is an absolute winning brand. So like I said before, I've only had the opportunity to try some of their skincare, and this was their body products, and I am beyond sold on it. So that's why I'm sitting down to do this video. So, okay. So this is, they reached out to me through my Instagram if I wanted to receive some PR from them. So hopefully this will not be my only box. And if the other ones that I had the opportunity to try and they're absolutely great, I will definitely sit down on YouTube and share that with you. But you should be following me on Instagram, because I do a lot over there that doesn't need videos. So I'm hoping that you will follow me there. My name there is True Wants with the number 2. We're just this close to getting to our 6,000 followers there, which is very exciting. So it says about REN, they said they have been pioneers in clean skincare since 2000. They select nature's most powerful and kind bioactive ingredients that are harnessing their benefits in their formulas that create effective, high performance, and clinically proven skincare that addresses diverse skin needs. It's always with sensitive skin in mind. They're saying they are clean to skin and clean to planet. They are positioning their guides in every decision that they make. They are passionate about protecting the planet's resources and are committed to reducing the waste that we produce at every stage of production, distribution, as well as promotion of their skincare. We are here not to only help transform your skin for the better, but to help transform the planet for the better too. Now, about the story about them, they're saying it all started with a mum-to-be who was living in London, who felt that the formulas of her everyday beauty products were causing her sensitive skin to react. This made her wonder if the ingredients that she was using in them were being kind enough for her, and more importantly, she was concerned for her baby. It says, turning to natural skincare, she discovered that nothing really worked, and if it did, it didn't work for long. Her partner recognized a need within the beauty industry for skincare that delivered gentle yet effective results from bioactive, not just natural ingredients. And that's the key with their brand. It says, so in 2000, REN Clean Skincare was born with the pledge to never compromise efficiency for natural, with and always with sensitive skin at their core, because that was her main concern. So she took what the benefits were of natural, which weren't giving her the results, and tied it together with bioactive ingredients, and then made sure that everything that they did was good for the planet, good for sensitive skin. Everything about the brand is just really, really well thought out. So, you know, to me, if you're going to decide to come out with a brand, that's what you need to do. Is you don't want to just be another Me Too. You have to have a reason to spend your time and your life to be able to resource and find these type of ingredients and products that will make a difference. And these really did. Their skincare for me did, and now their body care did for me as well. The first one that I want to share with you is their body wash. And as I share with you all the time, I'm a big bath time girl. I take showers, you know, every day in the morning, if not every other day, but in the evening, I always try to make time to have some bath time. It just brings me down to a level. But when you put a product like this into the tub with you, it takes you onto a journey. This one here is called the REN Skincare Atlantic Kelp Magnesium Ocean Plastic Body Wash. This is a 10 fluid ounce, and it's only $29. It says it is an energizing shower gel that is packed in a recyclable ocean plastic bottle. They're saying it is a sulfate-free reviving body cleanser that is formulated with Atlantic kelp extract with energizing magnesium, PCA with moisturizing properties to help nourish, smooth, and tone. It is infused with REN Clean Skincare's exclusive anti-fatigue essential oil blends. It will awaken and refresh your senses. For REN, the Clean Skincare has the ultimate uplifting shower experience. They're saying it will help minimize fatigue, it will energize the skin, and it will revive the skin. The scent on this is one like as if you walked into a spa. It is just perfection. It is the type that I always look for when I'm looking for products to help me calm myself down, but not burn me out. And that is exactly what this did for me. And it gave me enough of the calmness, but it didn't wipe me out from taking my bath time. I've used this now 3 times and I've only just used up to here. And initially I put like 10 pumps of this in, and you don't need that. You literally need 2 or 3. And it is, like I said, the scent on this is the one that I look for. And to give you what the scent smells like, it is like a spa type of experience. That's the best way for me to explain that. The other item that they gave me is something that I've been sharing with you, that I never used to use dry oils or oils on my skin. I was always just a strict moisturizer, and I'm always was afraid of putting oils on that they'd be too slippery, they wouldn't penetrate quickly enough. And I've really changed my mind due to the boxes that I received. I've had the opportunity through, I think it was another brand, that I tried a dry oil and I was blown away. This blew me away as well, and that's why I'm doing this video. This one here is also from their brand, that is their line that is called Atlantic Kelp. I think that's what this one is. Yeah, Atlantic Kelp. And this one here says that it is a microalgae anti-fatigue toning body oil. This one does hydrating, toning, and firming body oil. This is 100 ml, which is a 3.3, and this is around a $50 value. They're saying it is a rich moisturizing body oil that is formulated with magnesium-rich kelp extract, a nourishing omega-6 and 9. And it also will help with the oils that are in here to intensely replenish your skin and lock in the moisture. Further, it is enriched with red algae extract containing phytosterols to help increase your skin toning, while massaging action with oil will help with relaxation. This will moisturize your tone your skin. It improves your firmness, as well as it's good for all skin types. It will also de-stress the mind and the body. This one here comes out also, like I should show you with even the other one here. It has also the locking mechanism in here. And when you put a little bit on your hand here, it comes out like a gel. And as soon as you add the water to it, or you put anything into it, it bubbled up like a pure bubble bath. It is, like I said, it was so inviting. You couldn't get me out of the tub. And it lasted so long. And even if I didn't have the oil, this alone, my skin was not dehydrated, even coming out after the tub. It felt silky and smooth. But when I added the oil, and like I said, I've been using this now for 2 to 3 weeks, and I've been using it a lot. You really need very little of this. It is a really, like I say all the time, when things are high-end ingredients and they are result driven, you end up, let me just take my rings off. You end up with these experiences with products. It adds more to the experience when you're taking or cleansing, as opposed to it being a quick shower, in and out, get my hair washed, get a blow dry, gotta get my makeup on, I got an appointment at this time. This is when you want the experience. And when you end up with an experience, it changes that you take that time out of your day for you. And that's what I always try to do at the beginning of my days and the end of my days. And by having a skincare routine or a bath time routine, whatever it is, take that time where, even if it's 10 minutes or a half an hour, that is just for you. And this is the oils that they penetrated beautifully. My skin was, when I touched it later in the evening, I could not believe how soft it was. It did not feel oily at all. Everything penetrated beautifully, but the scents on this are so beautiful. They're just relaxing, but not to the point that it will make you feel like you need a nap. It's this scent that it rejuvenates you and gives you more energy, yet in a calm way. I wish I can explain this in a better way, but I could not wait to share about these products with you. And thank you so much to REN Skincare for choosing these 2 products to be the first 2 products that you're sending over to me. Because like I said, I've already had the opportunity to try at least a half a dozen of their others that I chose for myself right after that Trend Mood box, that I got it in that box the first time I had the opportunity to learn about this brand. And like I say always, that when I get to try products that I really enjoy, they then end up on my wants list and my needs list. And REN Skincare is one that when it shows up in the boxes, because that's where a lot of my purchasing comes from now, because all my life before the boxes, before these last 3 years, I was buying stuff in the retail world. So I've already tried a lot of products, and that's why I have a lot of information that I can share with you and my experiences on the channel. But through the boxes, I'm learning about so many other brands, and I wait to see when the boxes come. So when companies that intrigued me, when I've had the opportunity or something about it I want to try, then that is when I'm saying yes to some of these PR packages to be able to come and learn more about products, because that's what my channel is all about. It's about learning about products. It's about sharing with you the information on those products. And then hopefully that when, as if I'm speaking to myself in my other world, I needed to spend certain dollars to treat myself, then you're able to learn more and more about all these brands. And when these type of brands that are so fantastic are showing up in boxes, then those are ones that I'm telling you, do not close your eyes to this brand called REN Skincare. So if that's your way of being able to try new brands and you can't go and spend these type of dollars in the retail world, then definitely choose them in your boxes. And then you'll be like me, you'll start saving up to see when these products go on sale. And I start getting emails on their websites so that when things are on sale, then that's when I'm able to enjoy more from their brands directly from their websites because of the sales that they offer. So like I said, I always love the opportunity to get products and try them, but when they're absolute winners, I want to make sure to be able to sit down with you guys and share them with you so that you know them about them as well. I want to thank everybody when you tune into my channel, or you follow me, as well on my Instagram with TrueWants2. If you just want to see a picture of something, or if you want more information, I try to share as much information as I can, because that's what I was looking for. I was looking to learn more, because it's such a large marketplace out there for the beauty market that a lot of times, a lot of us have tried products that didn't work for us and we felt we wasted our dollars. So now we're able to get them either at really nice reduced prices, or brands that we want to save up our money for to be able to enjoy because we see results from their brands. So like I said, do not close your eyes to this. These are two absolute winning products. And again, thank you so much to REN Skincare for acknowledging True Wants and giving my platform the opportunity to share about your brand on my channel as well. And that's it for today, guys. So to everybody who watches not only my spoilers, my unboxings, but when I do videos like this and I have the opportunity to share about brands, I appreciate that so much as well. Take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in my next video. All right, bye for now.